morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online science class. So, my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and you are safe. So, have you all completed copying notes in your notebook? Yes. Okay. So, in the previous class, we have started a new chapter, right? Chapter 7. After that, after completing this lesson, we will revise. We will read the lesson line by line and we will mark the important line and we will learn it. Okay, after completing the portion we will do that. Okay, so before that, I hope you have completed your notes and you have started learning for chapter 1 and chapter 2, right? So start to learn the remaining chapters. Okay, so we are at the end of the semester. We are going to have your exam, so start to learn it. Okay, so which chapter we have started to learn in the previous class? Chapter 7, our earth and moon. What are the topics we have learned about the solar system? Earth, layers of earth, then movements of earth, season, revolution, moon, structure of moon, phases of moon, right? So today we are going to form how the tides are formed. What do you mean by tides? So tides means in ocean we can see the tides, right? In sea we can see the tides in ocean and seas occur because of the earth and moon interaction. Okay, so that the tides in the sea is due to the sun and moon interaction. Okay, due to sun and moon interaction. We know that moon will revolve around the earth, right? So it pull the earth water towards it. Okay, it try to pull the earth water towards it. So this causes the tides. Okay, because the earth is rotating the sun and the moon is rotating the earth, right? The moon is the planet of the earth. Moon is rotating the earth. While rotating, the moon will pull the water towards it. Okay, so there are two types of, so that pull causes tides. Okay, there are two types of tides, low tide and high tide. Okay, so high tide means when the level of the sea rises. High tide means when it occurs when the level of the sea rises. Okay, so the highest tide due to the full moon or new phases of the moon. Already we have learned the phases of the moon. Due to this new phase of the moon, high tide happen. Okay, low tide happens when the level of the sea is very low. Okay, so according to the interaction between moon and the earth will cause the tides. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, then eclipses. What do you mean by eclipses? So sometimes only. Okay, the earth, the moon and the sun, okay, they fall in the straight line, they come in the straight line. Okay, so sometimes the earth will come in between the moon and the sun. Okay, and sometime the moon will come in between the sun and the earth. Okay, see, this is the sun. Okay, this is the earth and this is the moon. Okay, sometimes the earth will be in between the sun and moon. Okay, sometimes the moon is earth. Okay, sometimes the moon is between the sun and the earth. Okay, so at first time the one in the middle casts a shadow, right? The one in the middle will be a shadow, right, which is partially or wholly hides the other from the sun, right? So that is called the eclipse. The sun, from the sun only we are getting light, right? So the middle, if it is an earth, if it is a moon, think it is a moon. Okay, think it is a moon or think it is a moon. So the moon will stop the light of the sun from reaching the earth, right? So sometimes it will partially hide or fully hides. Okay, sometimes the moon will partially hide the sun, sometimes the moon fully hide the sun, so that is called an eclipse. Okay, so next one is lunar eclipse. Okay, types of eclipses is lunar eclipse. Okay, in lunar eclipse the earth will come in between the sun and the moon. See, the earth is coming in between the sun and the moon, so it blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon, right? It blocks the sunlight reaching the moon. Okay, so it creates a shadow on the moon, that is called lunar eclipse. Okay, so lunar eclipse means the earth is in between the moon and the sun. Okay, so the earth will block the sunlight from reaching the moon. Okay, so the earth shadow has two parts. Okay, the earth shadow has two parts. One part of the shadow can completely block the sunlight. Okay, one part of the shadow will completely block the sunlight, and other part only the block the part of sunlight. See, one part it completely block the sunlight, the other part will block some part of sunlight, a little part of the sunlight. Okay, therefore is lunar eclipse may be partial or total. Okay, similarly lunar eclipse happens only in the full moon light. Okay, it usually occurs on a full moon night. Okay, so what do you mean by lunar eclipse? In lunar eclipse the earth will come in between the sun and the moon. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay, we will move to the next one. Solar eclipse. In solar eclipse the moon will come in between the earth and the sun. Okay, so a part of the sunlight is blocked by the moon. Okay, the moon will block a part of the sunlight from reaching the earth. That is called solar eclipse. Okay, so the solar eclipse can last up to 7.5 minutes. Okay, solar eclipse can last from 7.5 minutes. Okay, so the total solar eclipse. Okay, so this is partial solar eclipse. If a total solar eclipse occurs when the sun is completely hidden behind the shadow of the moon. Okay, so the total solar eclipse means the shadow of the sun, okay, is totally blocked by the moon. Okay, partial solar eclipse means the shadow of the moon hide only a part of the sun. Okay, so solar eclipse usually happens in a new moon day. Okay, solar eclipse happens in a new moon day. Do you understand up to this much? So what are the eclipse? Lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Do you understand? Okay, the next one, landing on the moon. Okay, landing on the moon. When, where, whom land on the moon? Who was the first person who landed on the moon? Yeah, we know that Neil Armstrong. Only Neil Armstrong we know that, right? But there are so many persons. Edwin Aldrin, Michael Collins, so many persons are there who reached the moon, okay? But one of the person name only we know that is Neil Armstrong. Okay, so they were sent to the moon as a part of American space mission Apollo 11. Okay, so their rocket name Saturn 5. Okay, their rocket was named as Saturn 5, was launched from Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It's in USA. Okay, it is launched from Kennedy Space Center, Florida, USA on July 16, 1969. See the year, 1969. Okay, so they stayed in the moon for about 2.5 hours. Okay, 2.5 hours only they stayed in the moon, and they collect some rock sample, then some sand sample they collected for the to study about the moon. Okay, this is the mission by American. Then Indian mission to moon is Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. Okay, this was launched before 2 years. Okay, so Chandrayaan 1 is a space ISRO. Okay, it's a mission of ISRO to the moon. Okay, this mission was launched on October 22, 2008 from Sriharikota. We know that our Indian space mission always launch a rocket in Sriharikota, right? So in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Then Chandrayaan 2 is the second mission. It was launched by 2018. Okay, do you understand up to this much? So we have completed our chapters. First of all, we will recall what are the topics we have learned in this chapter, right? Or earth and the moon. First we have learned about the earth and the layers of the earth. So what are the layers? Crust, mantle and core. Then movements, rotation, the rotation of the movement, earth causes day and night. Then revolution causes seasons. Okay, then eclipse. What are the two types of eclipses? Solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Then moon phases and tides, high tide, low tide. Okay, do you understand up to this much? So thank you for your cooperation. So we have completed our semester 2. Okay, so if you have any doubt, we will discuss in the Zoom interaction class. Okay, or else if you have any doubt, you can call me or you can text me. Okay, copy the notes in your notebook, and And from next class onwards, we will go for a revision. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.